Hey there, Escambia County teachers! The school year is in full swing, and believe it or not, we are already halfway through a marking period. And we know you've been grading papers and keeping up with those grades in your gradebook. So you may be asking yourself, where do I find progress reports in Focus? Well, never fear, because today it's a Byte of Tech with your Student Data Systems team, and we're going to walk you through how you can generate progress reports in Focus. So let's get started. Now, if you're already in your gradebook, you could come to the right and click Reports. This screen is going to appear. Now, I think this screen's a little bit small, so I'm going to show you a different way. From your portal page, the first thing I want you to do is to go to that right-hand side and double check that you're in the correct course. Then you're going to go to your left sidebar menu, and you're going to come down to Reports. You're going to choose Grades, and then you're going to choose Gradebook Reports. Now from here, I want you to notice that there are some other reports that can be accessed from this screen. We'll have videos on those, so keep on the lookout. You could type a student name here or click more search options. Leaving it blank will pull up all of the students in your class. Now on the right-hand side, there's some options. Print all classes is for the students, so that will print their classes, not all of your classes. You could print totals, include your gradebook notes, an attendance summary, include assignment descriptions if you have them, and if you want to save space, print your assignments on a single line. You can show missing, failing, or excused assignments, as well as including inactive students. Now when this screen appears, you want to double check that you click the students you want progress reports for. In my demonstration, that's going to be all of my students. Now it defaults to print for each student. Come to the right-hand side and click Print. Now remember to stay patient. Sometimes it will take a little longer for PDFs to generate. Once they do, they're going to look like this, and they'll reflect the decisions you made on the other screen. And that's generating progress reports in Focus. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out our other recommended videos that are here on the side, and fill out our content form so that we continue to create videos just for you. And that is a Byte of Tech.